In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to get or how to download Roblox Studio on your Android phone. Now this is very simple. Go to your favorite browser and then in the URL bar just type create.roblox.com. So that takes you to the Roblox Creator Hub or Roblox Studio. So create.roblox.com, and while you're here, if you want to, you can go ahead and log in to your Roblox account. Now that you are on create.roblox.com and we've even logged in, now go ahead and tap on the three dot button in the top right corner of the Chrome browser and then tap on add to home screen. So that basically allows you to create this shortcut with the Roblox Studio logo and the Roblox Creator Hub name. So just tap on install. Now once you do that, now if you go to the app screen of your Android phone, you should find the Roblox Studio icon, and anytime you tap on it, it takes you into Roblox Studio. Now keep in mind that this is a workaround. This is basically creating a Roblox Studio shortcut that acts as an app, just because if you go to the Google Play Store and try to find the Roblox Studio app, you won't find it. Okay, so this is basically a workaround that I'm showing you. So you can see we have the official Roblox app, but we don't have the Roblox Studio application. But with this method that I've just shown you, you can just have Roblox Studio like any other app, tap on it, and it takes you directly into Roblox Studio. Now you can work with it like this in the mobile interface, or if you prefer to use the desktop interface, you can always go back here to this little menu, or rather you can go back into Chrome and then request the desktop interface from here like that. Okay, so that is basically how to install Roblox Studio on your Android phone. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.